video. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I go about making my videos and what equipment I use and stuff like that. So let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is actually not on my computer itself, but it's down here. It's my actual computer. It's actually a really strong computer, and I got it, I think, like maybe 2 months ago. And yeah, we've installed Linux on it. That's the operating system on which all the softwares that I'm going to show you are on. And I'm not actually sure which ones exactly are also available on other operating systems. But I'll try to find it and put it in the editing of the video. So the first thing on my computer that I'm going to show you guys is the application that I'm using to record my screen. And this is actually, I think, only for Linux, and I'll correct myself in the editing of the video if I'm wrong. But it's called SimpleScreenRecorder, and yeah, as you can see, it's currently recording my screen. And yeah, if I want to stop it, then I just press pause and then it's save, and then it'll save on my computer. And actually, I started editing the video and I'm just recording this part again because I forgot my face cam. But what I realized is that this application actually records audio as well. So I'm recording audio in two places. I'm recording it here, and I'm recording it on this site called vocaroo.com, which is just free. You can go on it, anyone can go on it and just record audio. So yeah, I just record here, and then to stop recording I'll press this button here. Actually, I can show you guys because I have a backup audio. So I can stop, then save and share, and then I can download it to my computer. There, and it's downloaded there. So the microphone that I use is one of the more expensive items on the list of items that I'm going to show you. And here you can see it on Amazon, and it is not that much. That's not how much I bought it for. I bought it for about $140, I think. Yep, there it is, $140. And yeah, I think it's a pretty good mic. So now let me just switch, just to show you guys the difference between this mic and the actual camera microphone. So now I'm going to switch from this mic. Right now I'm talking into this mic here, and actually here I'm just going to show you guys the mic. Nice. Okay, so now I'm going to switch recording my audio from this microphone, and now I'm using my camera microphone, and you can see the difference. And I guess you guys can just decide if it's worth it to buy this microphone for $140. But I think it is. I think it's a pretty good microphone. It's not like the best microphone for recording indoors, but I think it's still pretty good. Okay, so the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to record, how I record my gameplay, and it's actually a very cheap way to do it. So all you need is this USB, and if you have an Xbox, which is what I have, you just plug it into the side of the Xbox here. There's like a little outlet. So there, it's plugged in, and now it shows up on there. So what you can do is you go over to start recording, and so the first time you put in the USB, it's actually going to ask you to do something with the USB that's a bit more complicated than just starting to record. But once you do that, then see, it can record for up to an hour, as you can see right there. And yeah, that's how I do my recordings on Xbox. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys, and I'm actually going on my phone to film this because I'm going to show you the camera that I'm using to film. So 4K Ultra HD camera, and if we switch over to my screen, this is what I bought, and it cost me, let's see, how much did it cost me? It cost me $177. So again, one of the more expensive items here. As you can see here, it comes with a microphone, which actually I don't really recommend. It's not that good. I've tried it before for recordings outside, and yeah, it wasn't great. So yeah, it comes with a microphone, and as you can see here, if we flip back to the phone camera, so it's got like this pop-up or openable screen. There, you can zoom in, obviously, and then you can also flip the screen so that if you're filming yourself, then you can see yourself in that screen over there. So to record footage outside, like I did in the 4-foot football video, I'm going to be using this camera here, and the microphone that I'm going to be using, obviously it's not this one, this is just for indoor filming, but it's this microphone here, and it's actually a wireless microphone that this part you can clip on to your shirt or something, like right there. There, it's clipped on. And this thing here, it connects to this, and this part here you can put at the back of the camera. Yeah, it's a wireless connector, and this thing picks up anything you say into this microphone. and it's got this little wind cover here as well. And yeah, just to show you guys the product on Amazon here, it was $52, and yeah, here it is. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check this out as well. So next is a different camera that I use to record outside, and I actually didn't use this in my forfeit football video because I didn't have it at the time. But it's this GoPro 7 Hero, and it also comes with this protective case, which is pretty cool. And you can also clip this part. It's like a sticker which you can take off and like put it on your helmet or something if you want to go biking and film at the same time. So yeah, you just put this inside there. It's pretty cool. And yeah, bang, there it is. So obviously this is like, I guess, more optional than the others if you like want to get a second angle on your videos. And I also have a tripod that I use for this camera, and it's this one here, and it's like a flexible tripod, which actually broke on top here, so I'm not sure if that's just my fault or if that's the actual quality of this tripod. But this one doesn't come with the actual GoPro, which, by the way, this is the site on Amazon. There we go. And then this tripod here. So yeah, as you can see, it's like flexible, and this is how I can like stick it on the goalpost or something if I want to film from there. And just to check that tripod out on Amazon, here it is as well. So yeah, this was about $30. So now the next thing I'm going to show you guys is how I actually edit my videos. So first of all, if we stop recording on this camera here, I'll start recording on my phone. There we go. So I'm just going to show you guys that this camera, it can obviously connect to my computer here. So there we go. It's this cable here, and this is now connected to my computer. So you can just put that there, and you can see it's on mass storage. I'm not sure if you can see that it's written there, but it is. And yeah, now it's connected to my computer. So now you can see here that we can access all the files from the camera. It's pretty simple stuff. So yeah, what I just recorded, I think it's this one. And there we go. Me doing my hair. Good. So I already showed you guys how I download my files from Vocaroo. So yeah, obviously you click stop here, and then you go save and share, download. It goes to your downloads. Simple stuff. And then for the screen recorder, I can't actually show you this because like then I have to stop recording my screen, obviously. But I would press pause recording and then save recording, and then it would save in my videos folder. Now I'm not sure how different that is on Windows or Mac, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys my editing software itself. Now this one, I think sadly it's only for Linux. And I'll correct myself if I'm wrong in the editing of this video. But anyways, here you can see the clips. This is the intro that I've already filmed. So we've got me just walking in here, all that good stuff that you've already seen. And yeah, it's actually a pretty cool software. It's free as well. So the only thing about this is I used it on my older computer, which was a bit slower, actually a lot slower than this computer that I have now. And it was very laggy all the time. So that's one thing that is not very good about this software, but it's fine on this computer. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I edited the intro, like exactly how to cut stuff and how to just move stuff, I guess, import files to here. So to import files, you just right click here and you say add clip or folder, and then you can just select the file. All of these files were already uploaded to the project. So anyways, the first file is this file here. So yeah, I just brought it in from here. Obviously I can't put it in now because it just doesn't have enough room. As you can see there's a clip starting there. Alright, I'm not really sure what I was doing not recording a face cam, but yeah, here we are. So anyways, this to cut, first of all, is you can just press X, or there's this tool here, which is to cut, and then you can just press here, cut. And then if you press S, then it select, and that's the tool here, and you can select this and then press the delete key and it's gone. But we don't want that, so Control Z, Control Z. If you want to move a certain clip and everything that's after it, then you press M, or this tool here, and yeah, you can just move it, but obviously I can't here because there's this thing blocking it. So yeah, for example, this. I can move this and it will move everything there, so just Control Z that. Now what's cool about this software is that it's got a bunch of different effects that you can add in. As you can see here, there's so many. And the one that I'm using, first of all, on this audio file here, or it's not the audio file, but it's the audio of this video here. So I'm just using the simple effect here that if you right click on this green part, go insert an effect, volume keyframe. That's the effect I've got up here, and 10 dB just makes it a bit louder, as it was originally in 0. So yeah, that's the basic effect for volume. Now the basic effect for the actual video is transform here. So I don't actually want this screen recording, but I just have it here for demonstration purposes. So originally it was here, and what I did was just move it. So if I say X is 100, so it'll move it 100 pixels to the right. And if it's negative 100, let's just do that. That is not 100, that's 1000, but never mind. Then it's like that. And so I don't want that at all, so I'll just move it off the screen like that. And actually now I can just delete it because I don't need it. There. So yeah, oh yeah, just to explain this clap here is just to sync the video, obviously. So as you can see here, there's a peak where I did the clap, and there were other audio files, which, where are they? Hang on. This is the file that I recorded from Vocaroo, so here it is, like that. So this is where I did the clap on Vocaroo, and this is where I did it in the actual phone recording. So now I can just easily line them up, and everything else will be in sync. So yeah, that's just how to do all the basic stuff in Kdenlive, and I can make more videos if you guys want, showing you how to do other stuff here. After I'm done editing this video, then I can just press render, and I usually do an MP4, and then I render to file, and it'll save in this directory here. So yeah, I don't want to do that right now because I'm not done editing this video, obviously. I'm not even done recording it. Alright, so now the last part of making a video for me is just to upload it, obviously. It's actually not the last part, it's the penultimate part. So what you got here, you go to your main YouTube page, you click create, and then you go upload video. It's pretty simple. And then yeah, you can just select a file from your computer. So let's see, what videos do I have here? I will upload, okay, so I can here upload my top 10 favorite YouTubers video. So here it is, bang, double click, and it's uploading. There we go. Now obviously I don't want that to upload for real because I already uploaded it, but now I'm going to show you guys how to make a thumbnail, and that's the last part before this uploads. So I used this online thing called Canva.com. As you can see here are a bunch of different pictures or thumbnails that I've already created. So let's just go to this one, for example. There we go. So yeah, that's the thumbnail I used for my top 10 favorite YouTubers video. So yeah, this is also another free software, and it's online, so no worries about having to be for Linux or for Windows. But yeah, it's just a pretty neat software. So if we go back to the main page, then we can click create a design, and to get the dimensions right for a YouTube thumbnail, we go to video, and then loads up, and then we can add files that we upload from our computer. So yeah, if we want this picture of Freddie Mercury, we can just drag it here, and we can like maximize it to fit the width of this, or the dimensions of the thumbnail, like that. And then to download it, we just go to the three buttons, we go download, and then we can select what type of file we want to download it as. And I usually just go PNG, download, and yeah, it's downloading. There we go. Now if we go back to the YouTube upload screen, then we can go upload a thumbnail, and this is another thumbnail that I uploaded for my top 10 favorite YouTubers video. So we can just click on that, and just to show you guys the one that I just downloaded, you can go change, and if we go to downloads, there we go, this one, if it wants to show up, which it doesn't. But yeah, anyways, that's how you do it. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully this is inspiring you and helping you out if you guys want to become a YouTuber yourself, or if you just want to make some videos yourself and want to know about some cheap equipment that you can get. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.